Yes, I'm going southbound.
Okay, let me transfer you over.
Okay.
Let me transfer you over. Hold on 1 second.
911, what is location of your emergency?
It's
Fred,
south.
I'm on a transfer for responsible drunk driver, 65 southbound, passing Cool Springs. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, it's southbound 65, passing Cool Springs Boulevard. It's
Okay, what mile marker is that?
I just passed it. Let me say. I think it's marker 68. I'm coming up to
Mile marker 68.
Yeah, I'm coming up to what is it called? Merrick Drive, which is 67.
Okay, you're still on 65 South?
Yeah, I'm behind the driver. It's a kind of
What kind of vehicle is it?
It's a Dodge Ram.
What color?
I think it's silvery or gray. He's like all over the place. He just he just wrecked. He just wrecked. Right
He
here.
did wreck?
Yeah, he just wrecked.
Okay, where at?
Right underneath the McEwen Road exit.
Under the McEwen Bridge?
Yeah,
Under the bridge?
Underneath the bridge. He's overturned.
He's on its top?
Yeah, on the top. It's a silver Ram. There's two people.
Okay, hold on just a second. Okay?
Yeah.
Check plate radio.
Yeah, I'm calling. I'm on the phone with 911 now.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna get him started.
Okay, there's people checking out the driver.
Okay.
Now there's several people that pulled off the highway in the fast lane.
Okay.
It's in the fast lane.
And you said the truck is on its top in the fast lane?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what the condition is.
Can I get your name?
Yes, it's James Partain. He looks like he's out of the vehicle.
Okay, what's your last name?
Partain, Partain.
And what's a good phone number for you?
That'd be 931.
Okay.
981.
Changing their quarterback from Kirk Cousins to Michael this start on Sundays.
What the fuck, man? Stupid motherfucker, dude.
motherfucker.
Slammed on your fucking brakes.
I didn't. I slowed down to turn. Yeah, the corner of Harwood Avenue and South Campbell. I just got rear-ended. Harwood Avenue and South Campbell. Yeah, I just got rear-ended. I'm moving the car.
Are you injured?
Traffic. No, I'm not.